So this is our version of what you might call, I suppose, the chop and drop. I think for me that traditionally refers to where you will cut down all of your perennials in spring, let's say February, and you just leave all of that spent perennials, the stems and everything, I suppose as a mulch. Here what we do is we just pick and deadhead the flowers of various perennials, but also roses, if we're not going far down the stem, and we would just chuck them into the border. It feels like it's wrong, but actually, you know, they dissolve so quickly, and I suspect do a little bit of good for the soil as well. But for me, the key thing is just time saving. You know, we really, you know, if you have to trim these and put them into a bucket and then deal with them, it's just all extra processes. So we just like to, wherever possible, just think about, you know, how we garden and how we can save time as well.